will solve the numerical number 6. This is physics from class 9 and it is chapter number 3. The question states that a 6.5 into 10 to the power 3 kilogram bogie of a goods train is moving with a velocity of 0.8 meter per second. Another bogie of the mass 9.2 into 10 to the power 3 kilogram coming from behind with a velocity of 1.2 meter per second collides with first one and couples it. Find the common velocity of the two bogies after they become coupled. Dear students, the formula which we will use to solve this numerical is will be this m1 and v1 plus m2 v2 is equal to m1 v1 m1 plus v1 m1 plus m2 and multiply by v2. I explained this formula multiply by v. I explained this formula. This is the product of mass and the velocity. This is the momentum of the first bogie, and m2 multiplied by v2. This is the momentum of the second bogie, which is coming behind the first bogie. And when they collide after collision, they move with the same velocity. So we will have taken the v as common, and the formula will take a shape of m1 plus m2. These are the mass of the two bogies, and since they are moving with the same velocity, so we have taken v as common. So this formula we will use to solve this numerical. But putting the values, m1 is 6.5 multiply by 10 to the power 3, and v1, that is the velocity or speed of the first bogie, it is 0.8. We write here 0.8 plus m2, that is the mass of the second bogie, it is 9.2 multiplied by 10 to the power 3, and its velocity is 1.2. Here we will multiply that mass with the velocity 1.2. That is equal to, now these two masses are added. One of the mass is 6.5 into 10 to the power 3, and plus other mass is 9.2 multiplied by 10 to the power 3 and multiplied by v, which is a common velocity of both when they are coupled. So we simplify them. Multiplying 6.4 into 10 to the power 3, we get, we write here 5.2 multiply 10 to the power 3 and plus 9.2 multiplied by 10 to the power 3 will give us 16.24 into 10 to the power 3. 16.24 into 10 to the power 3. And taking 10 to the power 3 common, we will be left with 6.5 plus 9.2, and also multiply by v. Now we add these 5.2 into 10 to the power 3 plus 16.4 into 10 to the power 3. We will take 10 to the power 3 common, and we will add 5.2 and 16.24. 16 plus 5 will give us 25, 21, sorry, 16 plus 5 will give us 25.44, 21.44. And similarly, when we add these two numbers, 9 plus 6 will give us 15 and point and 7 into 10 to the power 3 multiply by v. Since we have to calculate the velocity v, we will divide 21.44 multiply 10 to the power 3 divided by 15.7 and to 10 to the power 3. 10 to the power 3 will be cancelled with each other, and the velocity, that is the common velocity of the two bogies after colliding, it will become 1.03 meter per second, with which both the bogies will move with the same velocity. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in next lesson.